Hey guys, welcome to SMG Speed Shop. Come on in.
Today we're in Justin, Texas, touring one of Turn 14 Distribution's longest standing and fastest growing performance partners, SMG Speed Shop, where owner Jeremy Dominick reveals to us how SMG Speed became the ultimate one-stop performance shop and how Turn 14 support helped propel his shop to unimaginable levels.
All right guys, well, here's the shop. This is the actual retail store. About 2 years ago, we opened this up as kind of an answer to customers that were buying from us from our e-commerce store already and wanting to come pick up locally. Instead of having them come to like the warehouse side where it's always messy production shipping stuff. We really dominate in the e-commerce world. The store itself was actually an afterthought for one of our warehouses, which this used to be, where we just stored parts. Parts that we were shipping, parts that we were building on the other side. And we'd have customers come in and like, hey, can you have your parts for me to pick up? I live in Texas, I'm by your warehouse. And I'm like, sure. Being it's a warehouse, it wasn't really set up to have customers come in, you know, a big shipping and receiving department and boxes everywhere. So it wasn't really, definitely not like this. So 2 years ago, we had a brainstorm say, hey, let's build a store. We've got windows, we're facing a major road. We're right down the street from Texas Motor Speedway, where we already getting a lot of customers coming in, and we're like, well, let's go ahead and do it. So you come in here, we've got everything from exhaust intakes, suspension stuff hanging on the walls, demos, pro chargers, superchargers, tires, swag, shirts, wraps all the way around. We try to categorize stuff. Some of the stuff we do swag wise, sales counter, inventory room, wall of wheels. Up there, some of the in-house Cerakoting and powder coating. So we have some products up on the wall. We've had 3 locations around Texas since 18, and this is the one we landed on because we're right next to the racetrack. We've got about 6,000 square feet in this facility right now, between the store itself that we're in, our production side, as well as our actual shop side.
Does this really help customers figure out the different kind of parts that?
Yeah, they come in and visualize it, which is kind of cool because you'll get somebody who says, I want an exhaust. So, okay, what kind of style are you looking for? What are you looking for? Especially if you're like looking at like catback exhaust systems or something where they're like, I want dual tips on the back of my Honda, or I want quad tips on the back of my Camaro or Mustang. We could show them some of that stuff. And they're like, oh, I can visualize that. And then even with like the intakes, do you want like carbon fiber tubing? Do you want color match to your car? Do you want suspension? Do you want to go with a coilover? And we could show them the difference between like lowering springs and a coilover, and like strut bars and sway bars, and kind of help explain when they can visualize what that stuff is, if they don't already know, right? They at least can come in here and say, oh, you guys carry that brand, or you carry that brand. That's awesome, I didn't know. So I would say probably 75 to 80% of our orders go out same day or next day when we can. Some take longer, some are special orders or custom, and it's always gonna take longer, but we try to be as agile as we can and get the orders out the door for people as quick as they want, because everybody wants it tomorrow. You know, it's just kind of the culture of today. We want it now. Order it today. If I can get it in my hand today, I'd grab it. So it's kind of cool. We've been able to do that with your guys' help. And of course, we got some cars on display. This Nova is actually 100% built in-house. The top one there, 70 Nova, came in as a inline 6 basic Power Glide car. And we stripped it. It was two-tone. Prior owner was a pastor down in Houston, and one of our guys went down and picked it up for us, and we gutted it. Every single nut and bolt's been replaced. It's been powder coated. Every single part that could be replaced is. It's got an LS in it now. Ceramic transmission, custom built rear end, wheel brakes, weld wheels, much cool stuff. In addition to our main shipping and receiving department, which we have here, and we do ship out hundreds of packages a week for stuff that we don't necessarily have shipped directly from the vendor. This is also our R&D side. So anything that we build in-house, we do right here in the center section. We test it on our own cars first, and this is actually one of our cars. We did a whole host of stuff on this car, 30,000 mile car. It was cherry before we started tearing it apart, and now it should be somewhere in the 800 to 900 wheel horsepower range, and should be a pretty fun toy. In the back here, I really didn't show you guys much because it's a little bit of a mess and more production. We actually do Cerakoting and powder coating. I'll actually grab a sample here. And this is like a pigment. It's like full-on powder, and it's applied with electrostatic current and air to metal parts. We'll take a raw metal part, even something like some of these exhaust and turbo components. These particular ones will be getting Cerakote, but we'll take something that's just a normal piece of metal and it ends up with this cool finish. And then this would go into this giant oven that somebody could actually stand in. If one of you guys want to hop in here and take a look. And that bakes the parts to 400 degrees and cures that powder into a hard plastic coating. So that's really durable. And that's an after powder coated finish. kind of neat. And being able to do those little custom touches for people kind of sets us apart, I think, just a little bit. The end of 2017 is when we really started getting into the e-commerce world. We started expanding, looking at other options to sell alongside our products. I stumbled upon Turn 14. I don't remember exactly how, but I did reach out to them, and I talked to the original, I guess, new client manager at that point. His name was Tom. We weren't as big as your guys' normal clientele. We weren't doing even $10,000 a month in sales at that point. And he said, you guys gotta stick to it. You gotta make some sales, and then we'll see how it goes in a year. It blew up. We started working with the tech side of the website and pulling in as much data as we could from you guys, and we were selling products. So complementary products to what we were selling, adding in suspension stuff that we weren't already selling, wheel brands that we didn't have access to. As a small startup parts company, not a lot of companies want to take a chance on you. They want you to take thousands and thousands, maybe tens of thousands of dollars and make an initial purchase just to prove you're legit. Because you've got how many guys sitting in mom and dad's basement somewhere trying to spin up a website and just drop ship parts everywhere. And I mean, you got a million people doing that with no skin in the game. Of course, you know, your companies like yourselves and whatnot don't want to deal with that kind of stuff. They want to deal with legitimate, established businesses with a good reputation. As we grew SMG Speed to SMG Speed Shop, and then now we also have what's called North Texas High Performance, and that's another branch of our shop. We do everything here from suspension upgrades, cam installs, supercharger installs like we're doing on our own car here, custom tuning. We've got access to a dyno up the road that we rent. Everything from imports, domestic, BMWs, Audis, you name it, we work on it. This is a typical shop, as you can tell. I got all the tools and everything here, but for the North Texas High Performance side, our customers come in and they're greeted with this little lobby with a little bit of a host of some of the brands we're able to get through you guys. And a small demo of that as well. So this is a customer's car. He brought it in here so we could try and get it done before Texas 2K, but it needs a lot of work, so we're not getting there quite yet. This one's apart about as much as that one is. That one is also supercharged. We're putting all kinds of factory LT4 parts on it. This car should make somewhere upper 7s, low 800 horsepower is my estimation based off of the parts that we've got together for it here. So I used to work probably 80 or 90 hours a week fulfilling orders. I still work 80 or 90 hours a week now, but now I'm doing it to expand. Well, using partners like Turn 14, along with partners like Data Here to There, which you guys work with directly, as well as your API team, we were able to directly link to your guys' back end. The ability for a customer to click on a product, that automated system then talks to you guys. You guys then fulfill that product and it goes out the door without us having to touch it. And that alone has saved us so much time. We can do so much more as a team, even as small as we are, because we're not dealing with the small, monotonous stuff that you normally would have to, okay, I get an order, now I gotta take this order, contact my rep, place the order, wait for my order to get paid for and turned around, then they ship it for me, then they email me the shipping, then I gotta email the customer. That's all done automatic now. So a customer goes on there, clicks on our website, buys the thing, they get an automated email saying your order is ready to ship. They get an email as soon as it ships. There's even a cool app that they can download that'll actually track the whole order for them start to finish, and there's literally almost nothing to do for them other than to buy the product, and it's in their hands in a couple of days. And then our shop Raptor is kind of cool. So we built this. It's a Roush Raptor originally, so it's got the upgraded FRS racing shocks. We actually upgraded it from the 35s that these normally come with to 37s and raised the suspension up a little bit. Big intercooler, intake system. The whole truck's decked out. It makes just over 700 horsepower. Obviously, that's a 3.5 EcoBoost with 700 horsepower. It's pretty cool. It surprises a lot of people. And of course, it shows off our graphics for the shop. We'll fill out this entire lawn, that entire lawn, both parking lots, and that lawn with cars in the summer. In the evenings, we do like a barbecue setup. We'll put a tent up here with a big grill, and it's kind of fun. It's hard to take it in, right? Being here, it's like watching your kids grow, right? You remember when they were small. You remember where they are now. You look at them now and you're like, the growth, you don't see it because it's so gradual and you're just part of it and it encompasses it. But anybody that's a few steps back, they see it and they tell you, it's like, man, your company's, you take it for granted, which is, it's tough because you're constantly working. You don't get to see it from the outside view. You're hustling, you can sometimes see the progress and like our stores expanding, our building expansion, product lines, different services that we offer, stuff like that. Those are all new things, but because you're so close and intimately tied to the stuff, you don't see it from the big third picture where everybody says, I didn't realize you guys did all that stuff. We'll rent some space in the building next door, and that's just storage, but if we can get it, we're gonna pick up a dyno here in the next year and we're gonna end up putting one over there. We're already putting another lift on the other side. I mean, business is so busy right now, we just can't even keep up. Anybody can go down the street to a mom and pop ABC store or whatever and buy a part and never get any support or talk to them again and never think twice, but they come in here, we talk to them about their build, we make it personal, and we basically become friends, you know? They come in, they buy from us, they keep buying from us, and they support us for years. The diversity in staff I've got here, most of my guys have 10 to 15 years of their own experience. So cumulatively, on all different fronts, we're probably 50 plus years of actual experience combined in different avenues and venues of the car industry. So it's kind of helped us be pretty successful in what we're doing. I've failed more times than I can count. Anybody that's successful has failed millions of times, right? I fail daily. I mean, I never give up. If I'm doing something wrong, I learn from it. I learn from every single mistake I do. If I make it more than once, I move on, because I mean, at that point, I'm just not figuring it out. But I mean, there are so many things where it's all trial by error. And if you let your failures define you, you'll never grow. But as a business like this, where the potential is nearly infinite, I mean, this is such a huge industry. If you find your niche, just keep going after it. Listen to your customers, keep trying, no matter what. You're gonna keep failing, but eventually you're gonna get a win. And if you start stacking those wins, you're gonna grow. You just gotta learn from your mistakes and keep moving. And like I said, just never give up.
Great. Perfect.
It's customers like SMG Speed Shop that show how passion, innovation, and the right partnerships fuel growth in the performance industry. Big thanks to Jeremy and the SMG team for welcoming us, sitting down to share their story, and giving us an inside look at their shop. To see how you can become a Turn 14 dealer, visit turn14.com.